Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the language in Salesforce, a simple tweak that can make your workflow much smoother, especially if you're working in a multilingual environment or just prefer a different language. And don't worry, it only takes a few minutes. First, open your web browser and go to the Salesforce login page. If you're not already logged in, enter your email and password. Quick tip, make sure your caps lock is off because passwords are case sensitive. Once you're in, head to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. This will open a drop-down menu. From here, select Settings. This is where you can personalize your Salesforce experience. Next, look for Language and Time Zone. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu for language selection. Click the drop-down, scroll through the list, and choose the language you want Salesforce to display. Make sure you pick the right one because this will change the interface across your account. Finally, don't forget to hit Save. This step is crucial to apply your new language settings, and just like that, your Salesforce interface will now appear in the language you selected. Changing the language is especially useful for multilingual users or teams working across different regions. It makes navigation easier, boosts productivity, and ensures you feel comfortable using Salesforce every day. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more Salesforce tips and tricks. See you in the next video.